Hey everyone, just Kim here. I know it's been a while. I've been doing my morning. We lost Anna, my little Anna Banana. She died in my arms a couple weeks ago. Not quite sure what happened, but splay leg. Her condition just got worse. So I don't know. But anyway, Dolly and Johnny and Conway, they're watching a parakeet video. And they're, interacting with it. Since we don't have Anna in here to, make her little Anna noises. But, yeah, they're just carrying on, doing their thing. Dolly likes to watch TV. She likes to watch the sounds. Johnny, the blue one, he's just the loudest. He makes the most noise. And then little Conway, the little yellow and green boy, he chimes in too. But Dolly stays right there watching TV. But that's what's going on, guys. Yesterday I posted a video of things flying around outside. So, yeah, you may want to check that out. It's pretty weird. Our light that we have out and back, it's a little solar light, solar motion light, I guess. And it wasn't working last night, but it's working today. Imagine that, huh? And it was in full sun yesterday. So, yeah, fun. Nothing but fun around here. But yeah, check out the video I posted yesterday. Today is Wednesday. It's the day before Thanksgiving, 2024. And all of you, I want you to have a Thanksgiving that you will forever remember. That's almost about all I can say these days. I could say a lot more, but you guys don't tune in for that. Just fur, fins, and feathers. Hey, we all gotta do what we gotta do. Money is tight, so, I'm trying to build up my channel a little bit. So if you could help a girl out, share my videos. Don't be afraid to drop me a line in the comments, what you would like to see. More chicken videos, more parakeet videos, more fish videos. My husband does the fish videos. He posts those a lot. But yeah, y'all, just give me a holler and let me know what you'd like to see. I will talk at you later. If you wouldn't mind making a donation, send it to PayPal. My email for that is kimmycatspencer@gmail.com. That is kimmycatspencer@gmail.com. Drop me a line if you want to. If you want to do Cash App, so I can afford to feed these birds and the chickens and the fish and the dogs and the cats you've all seen in my videos. The Cash App is the $ KIMMYCATSPENCER. That is the $ kimmycatspencer. I'll talk at y'all later. You have a wonderful evening and dream happy dreams. Later. Bye.